Welcome, today's topic is purchase orders and its functions. On the home page of the backend, scroll down and select Inventory Management. Next, on the top of the screen, select Purchase Orders. Within, here you can view all purchase orders already made, export the data of those purchase orders, and create new purchase orders. Purchase Order. Click Create Purchase Order. Next you must identify the vendor from which you plan to purchase goods, then identify the shipping location, and select the expected delivery date. Note you can also include an invoice number and below that add notes you wish to convey to other employees that checks the stock upon arrival. To add an item to a purchase order, click Add Item. On the top of the pop-up, you can either add a single item, multiple items, and create an item. When adding an item, you must identify the item already linked to the vendor, the quantity you wish to purchase, and the unit buying price. Next we have Add Multiple Items. This function allows you to add multiple products to a purchase order. Furthermore, you also have the option to filter by vendor, which then allows the viewing of all items you have linked to this vendor. Next, you have to identify the buying price, selling price, and the requested quantity of purchase. Please note, if the cost price, also known as buying price, increases or decreases, you can change that here and later select Update Pricing to link the new cost price to the actual product wherever it appears. Once done, click Add for each individual item. Then, at the bottom select Add Selected Items. You now have a new purchase order, and to implement that order click Save. The next step is to either approve or reject this purchase order. Note you can also edit, delete, and export the purchase order. The purchase order has been accepted, and a staff member now has to accept the order and record the stock taken. To do so, click Receive Orders. An employee now has to record the stock received. This can be done manually or automatically. Please note, previously we explained that you can change the various prices of individual items on a purchase order and link it to the system, so that the same prices in the purchase order are then updated on the respective individual items. Those buttons are located here. Once you have received the stock, click Save. As you can see, the purchase order was successful, and you can now pay the vendor and export this data as a PDF. Thanks for watching.